Hello, today we are going to learn basic fundamentals of how to dimension an architectural, engineering or technical drawing. You should never put more dimensions than necessary in a drawing because there is one error. This error will get compounded with too many dimensions. As you can see with the red line, red dimensions in the drawing are unnecessary, as we can work out these dimensions without writing them by subtracting the others. 35 minus 18 is 17, so we don't need the 17, for example. I hope you find this helpful. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until the next video, thank you. Bye bye.